Picture this. It's the hottest day of the year so far. The motorway is shimmering with heat, and your car suddenly starts overheating right in the middle lane. No water, no sunscreen, no idea what to do next. Just you, a phone with 12% battery, and the sun beating down through the windscreen. Sound familiar? If it does, or if you've ever thought, I really should sort my car out before summer properly kicks in, then stay right where you are. Because today, we're going through the essential items every single UK driver should have in their car during the warmer months. Not maybes, not nice to haves, essentials. The stuff that could save you time, save you money, and in some cases, genuinely save your life. Let's get into it. Let's start with the one thing most people think they don't need until the exact moment they desperately do. A warning triangle. If you break down on a road with a national speed limit, the highway code recommends placing a warning triangle at least 45 meters behind your vehicle to give other drivers enough time to see you and slow down. Summer brings more traffic, more caravans, more holidaymakers on unfamiliar roads, which means more chances of a sudden breakdown catching other drivers off guard. A warning triangle costs next to nothing and folds flat enough to slide under a seat. There is no excuse not to have one. Next up, and this one goes hand in hand with the triangle, is a high visibility vest. It is not currently a legal requirement in the UK to carry one, but it absolutely should be a personal rule. If you break down and need to step out of your vehicle, especially on a motorway or somewhere with heavy summer traffic, you want to be seen immediately. Bright sunshine actually creates its own visibility problems, with glare and shadows making stationary vehicles harder to spot than you'd think. Keep the vest somewhere accessible, not buried in the boot under beach towels and picnic gear. Now, let's talk about the first aid kit, because this is the item people assume is for other people's emergencies, not their own. Think about it. Cuts from fumbling with a barbecue at a service station stop, a headache from the heat, a sting from a wasp that's flown in through an open window, or a blister from walking after a breakdown in sandals. A basic first aid kit with plasters, antiseptic wipes, a bandage, some paracetamol, and ideally an antihistamine cream covers you for far more everyday summer situations than you'd expect. A compact kit designed for vehicles is perfect, and most fit neatly into a door pocket or glove box without taking up space you need for other things. Speaking of the glove box, let's talk documents, because this trips up more drivers than you'd think. Your driving license, proof of insurance, and your V5C logbook should always be accessible, whether that's physically in the car or easily retrievable digitally. If you're stopped by police, involved in an accident, or dealing with a breakdown recovery service on a busy summer bank holiday weekend, having these to hand speeds everything up considerably. Digital insurance is fine in most cases now, but a phone with a dead battery makes that digital copy completely useless, which brings us neatly to our next essential. A car phone charger, and ideally a backup battery pack too. Your phone is your lifeline in an emergency. It's how you call for help, how you access your insurance documents, how you use maps if your sat-nav decides to give up somewhere you don't recognize. Running out of charge at the exact moment you need it most, especially stuck in traffic on a scorching afternoon, is one of those small failures that turns a minor inconvenience into a genuinely stressful situation. Keep a charging cable permanently in the car, not one you have to remember to bring, and consider a portable power bank as a backup. Now let's get into something very British: the weather. Even in summer, UK weather can flip from blazing sunshine to a sudden downpour within the hour, so screen wash deserves a serious mention. Roads get dusty and covered in pollen and dead insects during summer, and running out of screen wash on a motorway with a filthy windscreen in bright glare is properly dangerous. Keep a spare bottle in the boot. It's cheap, it lasts for ages, and topping up takes less than a minute. Let's talk about the single most important summer-specific essential: water. Not just for you to drink, though a bottle or two is genuinely important if you're stuck in traffic on a hot day, but also for your car itself. Keep an eye on your coolant levels, because engines overheating in summer traffic jams is one of the most common breakdown causes of the season. Carry a bottle of coolant, or at least plain water as a temporary top-up if your levels run low, and never open a hot radiator cap. Always let the engine cool down first. While we're on the topic of heat, sun protection deserves its own mention. A pair of sunglasses kept permanently in the car is essential, since low, glaring summer sun is a genuine driving hazard, especially during morning and evening commutes. A small tube of sunscreen is worth keeping in the glove box too, particularly for long summer drives, where sunlight through the windscreen can catch exposed skin more than people expect. Let's move on to something a lot of drivers overlook entirely, and that's basic tools for tyre trouble. Summer heat causes tyre pressure to rise and road surfaces to soften, which increases the risk of blowouts, especially on long motorway journeys to the coast or on holiday. Having a torch, gloves, and knowing where your spare tyre or tyre repair kit is located can save you hours of waiting around. Check your tyre pressure and tread depth regularly, especially before long trips. The legal minimum tread depth in the UK is 1.6mm across the central 3/4 of the tyre, but for genuinely safe stopping distances, most experts recommend replacing tyres well before they reach that limit. Now, here's an essential that people constantly underestimate: a torch. Not just your phone's built-in light, but an actual torch with decent battery life. Even in summer, evenings can catch you out, and if you break down after dark or need to check under the bonnet, a proper torch is going to be far more useful and far less draining on your phone battery than you'd expect. A small, durable torch kept in the glove box is one of those items you'll barely think about until the one evening you desperately need it. Let's talk about something practical for those long summer drives: a small supply of water and some non-perishable snacks. It sounds excessive until you're the person sitting on the hard shoulder in the middle of a heat wave for 2 hours waiting for recovery, hot, thirsty, and regretting not packing so much as a bottle of water. Keep a few bottles in an insulated bag in the boot, along with some snacks that won't melt or spoil in the heat. Now let's talk about jump leads. Flat batteries aren't just a winter problem. Hot weather puts extra strain on your battery too, particularly if you're running air conditioning constantly in traffic. If you've got jump leads in the car, and ideally know how to use them safely, you can potentially get yourself moving again with help from another driver, rather than waiting for professional recovery. Even better, a portable jump starter pack means you don't need another car at all, and these have become much more affordable in recent years. Let's shift gears slightly and talk about something a lot of people forget entirely: spare glasses if you wear them for driving. If your regular glasses break or you lose a contact lens on a long summer road trip, having a spare pair in the car isn't just convenient, it could be the difference between driving safely and driving illegally, since UK law requires you to meet the minimum eyesight standard for driving at all times. Now, breakdown cover. This isn't a physical item you keep in the car, but it's arguably one of the most important things on this entire list, especially during peak summer travel season, when recovery services are stretched thin with holiday traffic. Having a reliable breakdown cover policy means that when something does go wrong, whether it's overheating, a flat tyre, or a dead battery, you've got professional help just a phone call away. Compare providers, check what's included, and make sure your policy covers roadside assistance as well as recovery to a garage if needed. Let's also mention a small fire extinguisher, particularly relevant in summer, since hot engines and dry roadside vegetation can occasionally combine into a genuine fire risk. A compact, car-specific extinguisher takes up very little space and provides an extra layer of safety. One more often overlooked essential is a simple UK road atlas or paper map. It might feel a bit old school in the age of sat-nav apps, but signal drops out, batteries die, and apps occasionally send you down roads that don't actually exist anymore, which matters even more during summer when you might be exploring unfamiliar areas on holiday. Having a physical backup means you're never entirely reliant on technology to find your way. And finally, let's talk about something simple but often ignored: a basic toolkit. A few screwdrivers, a pair of pliers, some cable ties, and a roll of duct tape. These won't fix major mechanical problems, but for small, temporary fixes, like a loose panel, a hanging exhaust bracket, or a wiring issue, having basic tools on hand can get you safely to a garage instead of stuck on the roadside waiting for help with something that could have been sorted in 5 minutes. So, let's quickly recap everything we've covered today. A warning triangle and high visibility vest for immediate safety, a first aid kit for minor injuries and stings, your documents, license, insurance, and logbook ready to hand, a phone charger and backup battery to stay connected, screen wash to keep your windscreen clear in dusty, pollen-filled conditions, coolant or water to prevent overheating, sunglasses and sunscreen for glare and sun protection, basic tyre knowledge and tools, especially important with rising tyre pressures in the heat, a torch for visibility after dark, water and snacks for comfort during a longer wait, jump leads or a jump starter pack for battery issues, spare glasses if you need them to drive safely, solid breakdown cover for professional help when you need it most, a small fire extinguisher for extra safety, a paper map as a backup to your sat-nav, and a basic toolkit for those small roadside fixes. None of these items are expensive individually, and together they don't take up much space at all. What they do is turn a potentially dangerous, stressful, or miserable situation into something manageable. Breakdowns and emergencies happen to everyone eventually, no matter how well maintained your car is or how carefully you drive, and summer brings its own unique set of risks that catch a lot of drivers off guard. The difference between a stressful 10-minute delay and a genuinely uncomfortable few hours stuck in the heat often comes down to nothing more than a bit of preparation.